Okay, how's it going, guys? I thought I'd do another one of these quick sort of tour videos. So this is we're going up towards the Bluff in Hayle. So this is all part of Carbis Bay, basically. Beachside holiday park there. I'm just going to fly one quick battery around here. That's a lovely little church just here. We walk through there on a regular basis. And this is this pub here, which is the Bucket of Blood. Heck of a name, Nice little pub as well. Now we're up on top of the sort of Towns area of Hayle. So you've got a view over Hayle to our left there, and then the basically mostly sand dunes, and then the sea on that side. Obviously a bit of farmland as well. Just about to see the crane over there, which is the part of the new development along the Hayle waterfront. There's like 3 big cranes, but you can see that one there with the red light on it. Kind of mixed weather today. It's a bit overcast. Tons of electrical pylon cables going across there, and then tons of static caravans and sort of holiday homes all around this area. Riviera Towns, it's a pretty good campsite. Riviera Sands on that side. And I come here quite a lot. It's a nice little place to fly my drone. I use the Bluff for kite surfing, for jogging, riding my bike. And over there we can see St. Ives, just behind these buildings. Get a better look in a minute. And we've got the Bluff Inn here. There's a kind of a few different ways of getting to the Bluff area. You can come from the other side. Oh, it's a little bit of a surf out there. A little bit of a wave. Small, but very clean. I think we'll just hop in the corner here. Yeah, this is an okay pub. I wouldn't highly rate the food or anything, but it's got a good view. Obviously you can see the St. Ives straight ahead of us. Over there you can see the chapel on the island sticking out. Bit of Porthminster Beach and some other little bits. So yeah, let's go and have a quick flight 1 battery. Yeah, very busy there. Bluff Inn doing a roaring trade. Surf schools out in the lagoon. Cadreevy Lighthouse up ahead. And this is all basically Hayle River and the Bluff area. Some really nice little coastal walks along here. Great for jogging because it's kind of varied and a little bit soft underfoot, so not too bad for the old joints. But yeah, this is a little spot I quite like to come and have a little fly because it's a bit varied. It's a bit of in and out, a little bit of verticality with the cliffs, makes flying around it a bit more interesting, and it's pretty quiet. I'm not going to bother anyone. Yeah, surf school's going hard at it. 3 schools by the looks of it. Waves looking like they're about sort of chest high on the sets maybe. Anyway, let's pop the drone up and fly 1 quick battery. I thought I'd just bring you guys with me. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, let's go for a quick flight. Let's head north. So this is going up towards Cadreevy now, with Cadreevy Lighthouse there on the rock. And then we've got all these static caravans, look at them all lined up that way. Pretty low tide, as you can tell. And that's all the Towns here. Now let's head back along the cliff. Again, more kind of battlements around here. Oop, get a little bit of height. Left over the Second World War, there's lots of that sort of stuff kicking around on the coast around here. I always find it quite fascinating. Now over here somewhere there is an old Land Rover which only emerges out of the sand at very low tides. I can't see it now. Maybe the tide needs to be a little bit lower. And then you've got this little covey bit here. I don't think that restaurant hasn't been open since lockdown, that cafe. And then we've got, let's get a bit of height, and we've got St Ives sticking out over there. And the Hayle River mouth here, and then this whole area is like the Bluff. And then you've got Lelant over the other side with the golf courses and stuff like that. There's the lifeguard station.
Now I didn't know you were hungry, so I didn't bring you any food, and now you're hungry.
Let's have a look at the waves. Yeah, small, but very clean. Slight offshore breeze there. Lifeguard doing a fine job. Just kind of hoping no one was gonna walk around me when I was doing this. I think I'm talking to myself like a lunatic. Anyway, that's a nice little look around. Very chilled little explore. Let's bring her back in. I do.